Look after the land, and the land will look after you. Destroy the land, and it will destroy you. As we know, with the development of science and technology, the environment is getting worse and worse each day, like how the cars and the factories' pollution and its chemical waste made the air unhealthy to breathe, and among of the wastewater is poured into rivers. There is a good and bad quality of life depending upon the quality of our natural environment, our needs for food, water, shelter, and the other things that is depending on environment. The quality of our natural environment is depends on us. Every activities that is made by human is directly impact our environment either positively or negatively. Our responsibility to environment has been forgotten as time goes by because people nowadays only think of their self-welfare and self-interest without considering its impact to our environment. We are just sleepwalking if this scenario continues. People now and people in the future will be pitiful. If Mother Earth will talk, it may say weepingly, "Please save me, not for my sake, but of yours." That's why people must always remember that what you planted is what you harvest. Be aware and wake up from being sleepwalker, and let's save the Mother Earth.